Um, you know, Dickie.
Yes, my prince.
Now that I'm back from the state, have you noticed the way people look at me, especially the guests in this village, anytime we walk by?
Yes, my prince.
What do you think about it?
My prince,
Yeah.
I observe it, my prince. My prince,
Yeah.
you know you are the prince of this kingdom.
Yes, I know.
The truth of the matter is that you are the prince of this kingdom.
Yes, I know.
So whenever you pass by, people must look at you as the prince of this kingdom, especially the Maidens. So even the other time at the Ori market,
Yeah.
when we are passing by, they were all staring at you and whispering to one another that this is the prince passing by.
You noticed that?
I noticed that.
Wow.
Yeah.
And that's good. And are you, Soro?
My prince.
What's your observation?
My prince.
Yeah.
I believe you're good. I believe you don't need to go far away to look for a wife, a lord or to be. You are a handsome prince, and I believe the maidens of this kingdom are desperate to have you as their husband. My prince, I believe after the contest, you shall find a good girl to call your wife and a good lord of this kingdom. My prince, that's my observation.
Yeah, because after my father announcing the competition, on me getting a wife, things have changed.
My prince.
Yeah.
For the wife stuff, I promise I will help you find one.
My prince, I believe DK has a good eyes of selecting a good wife.
You, Dickie. I've been watching you. I like you a lot. Eh?
Thank you.
I know, I believe you. And yeah, what is it about this eyeglass all the time?
My prince, I'm sorry.
My prince, I believe he has an eye problem. That's why he's always putting on glasses.
Are you okay?
I'm sorry, my prince. I'm sorry, my prince.
See, I think I'm good with this rest now. Let's continue the work, okay? All right, let's go.
My prince, my prince.
All right.
Can I see?
Good day, my prince.
How are you doing?
Fine, thank you, my prince.
So what's it?
Rita, my prince.
Lita? Lita what?
Mazino is daughter, my prince.
Oh, your Mazono's daughter. So beautiful. Your father do come down to the palace, and I like him so much too. He's a nice man. And he's actually a good friend to my father, Diego.
Thank you, my prince.
Wow, I never knew you have so a beautiful daughter like you.
Thank you, my prince.
All right, and these are friends, right?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, I'm so delighted to meet you.
Thank you.
Well, I'm going for a walk. If you don't mind joining me. Yes, I'll be going along with her.
Hey! Oh, Sabah. God! Stella! Leave me! Oh my. Like, seriously, this girl is very wicked.
Hi, baby. How are you?
Fine.
Hey, you look so sweet. Are you from this village?
Yes.
What's your name? Adugo. And I have not been seeing you around.
It's because I don't walk around anyhow.
That is very nice. Have you heard
Out of what?
about the contest now?
What contest?
The prince of this land wants a wife. That is the reason for the contest.
Are you serious? Okay. And do you think the prince will look at me?
Wow. Baby, you're okay. Huh?
Are you serious?
You have all it takes.
Okay.
What I'm saying is that you have all it takes. When the prince sees you, he will like you.
Are you serious?
Very sure. Okay?
Wow. I'd like to go. Okay.
Do you know what? I'll help you. Okay? I'll help you. But you have to scratch my back and I will scratch yours. Okay?
Because I want to be a queen. As I have to do that.
You just say it very simple. Because you want to be a queen. Do you know how many people that want to be in that position? Anyway, you can forget about it. I see you're not interested.
Please, I'm just joking. So, what do you, okay, maybe I will try.
You will try. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Now you're talking. Let's go and just do it a little try, okay?
Okay.
Hey!
How now?
No, I'm cool.
Rolando, but you're looking very, very okay this day.
Nah, forget about that. How business?
As you can see, I'm done for today.
Wow.
Nah,
How now?
I'm cool,
Okay.
but I'm not fine.
What? There's something that's bothering me. What's that? Come on.
Please, can you borrow me some money? Like 5,000.
5,000? Where can I see that kind of money this time?
This
This time I'm moving well this time. Business is not moving. I don't have money, no market.
John, okay, make it 2K.
There is no money.
I'll give you later, please.
There's no money, no money. Since 1 week I've never seen anything at my shop.
John, please, nah, it's me, Rolando.
No money. Where do you expect me to get that kind of money? I don't have money.
Oh, God.
I don't have money, man. No money.
John, try now.
Why is it that it's this time that I don't have money that are asking me for this money? Roland, that's no money. No money.
Please, now help me.
There's no way to see this kind of money you're talking about. No money. No money.
That girl, I hate her so much. Each time I'm talking about her, you people don't believe me. Her father goes to about this all the time. Please, I'm fine now.
I'm fine, Lita.
You see you, eh? I will deal with you. What is it? Just mark that in this village. I will deal with you. You.
Hey, stop that.
Leave me alone. Let me talk to that girl. Let me talk to her. You know how I want the praise. This girl knows how much I want the praise. She knows. In fact, all of you knows how much I want the praise. You have started. Don't worry, I will do it.
Leave her now. Leave her.
You are that your juju father.
Oh, look at me. Tell me what is the praise?
All of you know how I want the praise. All of you know how I want the praise.
Just drop that. In this village, I'm the queen of this village. Yes.
You're the what? Hey, Jesus. I won't even drag the praise with you. You know that one. Your own is a very small case. I won't. I will not. She's actually, she's daring me. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will do it.
And then what?
Oh God, that he wants to marry you.
Why would this guy be going around with that juju father?
Hey, so what that sister told me is true.
My mother told me that she saw Onowu with our village chief priest, our chief priest.
Hey.
Tell me what will he be doing with our chief priest? What is that getting to do for this useless girl?
Yes.
I'm lying.
Your papa, king,
My
you,
mother
queen
saw
of Juju.
saw him the other day.
Hey, wait,
Priest.
Queens look
That
you
our village
finish.
priest.
Look
And
at
you're
me.
telling me to
I'm
do
more
what?
prettier than you.
Eh?
He will choose you.
You are forgetting the fact that you're going to be my
Shut up!
How can I be like that? Why that girl? Three of you. Don't worry, I don't have time.
I didn't do
I don't have time for all of you. I seriously don't have time for all of you. You people know I want the praise. Everything about the praise is for me. I don't have your time. But I'm going. Jesus!
Touch me.
Rita,
If you touch me.
baby,
guess what? You say that the prince wants to marry her.
she's lying. Don't mind her.
No. It's
She's lying. Wait, she's lying. Baby, it's not true.
Don't just come for me.
Let me alone.
Are you sure? I'm fine. I'm fine. It's just a little car crash. Okay? It's fine. I'm okay. Yes, Solo? My friend. Come on. Please get me. Come here, please. What? Is this leaking?
I didn't know what happened to you. I was worried.
I'm so kind of you. You're Alright, let me have it. much. Just say. I'm fine. Right? Be fine. I just took my job.
Are you sure?
Yeah, and it's not quite grown. My mom left. Right? I said that. I'm fine. I'm fine.
What?
I'm sorry. What do you get? I said fine. It's fine, right? Alright, time. Alright, let me just go inside. Okay? Just go. Alright, right back. Baby, you don't like being stand on the phone. Are you okay?
I'm not okay. I'm worried about the contest.
I want about the contest.
I'm not trying to tell your dad to cancel it since you love me.
You know I'm not in a position to do that. Alright? It's our custom.
And you know I don't want to dance. How are you going to choose me?
Baby, I know. Okay, and that's why I want you to be there. Alright, see. Have my advice. Alright? All I want is for you to be there. Alright? You know, that very day, I'm mistaken. I'm thinking no other person but you. You know I love you so much. So just be there, okay?